So I wasn't planning on making a video on this saw guard I made for my crosscut saw, but it turned out so well, I thought I'd share it. Originally I had this rubber hose that I split down the middle and put it over the blade and just wrapped some cordage around it to hold it on. And that worked okay, but it was really flimsy and sometimes it was kind of dangerous putting this guard on. So I thought I'd make some improvements to it. And the first thing I did was screw this piece of wood on the back just to make it more rigid. It turns out it was cedar, which is a bonus. And I soaked it in a hot tub of water for a few hours, and then I put a weight on it to bend it so it matched the shape of the saw. I ran these carriage bolts right through the rubber and into the wood, and soon realized that this head was going to be rubbing on my saw blade. So I took some thick leather and just glued it over top of the carriage bolt head. Don't have to worry about that anymore. And then I got some leather lace going right through the wood to secure it on both ends. I put this carry handle on it, just a piece of leather, and when I picked it up I realized that I forgot to balance it. But I find it actually easier to carry like this. You know, I go through a lot of thick bush and this saw tends to snag a lot on everything, so I'll probably put some linseed oil on the cedar just to help protect it. And it's good to go.